Oh, I like it.
Perfect.
Oh, how I love working in a clean garage.
Psych!
Oh my. Whoa, never mind. We got a lot of cleaning to do, buddy.
Of course we do.
All right, let's get to work.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Oh, come on now, dog.
What's good, TNT gang? It's your boy Tony B, and oh man, Taj, he sleep, man. But I had to go ahead and get this done. You know, we cleaned up the garage earlier, but now I gotta make sure I jack this thing up. Bro, I can't even think of what I'm doing, man. I'm so tired. I gotta drain the transmission fluid and drop the pan so we can try to fix that leak that I messed up on that darn.
Perfect.
We gotta drain the transmission fluid, drop the pan so I can fix this stupid transmission leak on the plug that I put at the bottom of the pan.
What?
So let's go ahead and jack this bad boy up.
The next day.
All right, guys, it's the next day. We got the transmission pan off. We got Taj. He's somewhere around there, but there you go. You gonna say hey to him, Taj?
Hey everybody
All right.
that is watching this.
What else you want to say to him? That's all you want to say? Just hey to him? All right. We got the transmission pan off, and I was explaining to him what a transmission is. He came out here. He was like, I don't understand why people have to get under the car to work on it. Well, the truck to work on it. So those are some videos that are going to come up next where I explain what a motor is, brakes, transmission, and drive shaft, all that, the differential, all that kind of stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned. All that stuff gonna drop. We're gonna try to get this man educated on what cars do and why they do it to the best of my ability. I don't know everything, but as you can see, it still has a little bit of metal shaving in there. Transmission fluid is good because I had just changed it not too long ago. I really ain't put no miles on it, so I'm kind of scared that it still has those metal particles in there, and hopefully it hold up, you know, for a little while, man, because I don't want to be swapping out a transmission, even though the guy said it was, you know, rebuilt, but you know how that is, man. So all right, let's go ahead and clean this up and try to see if I can tighten up this drain plug that I added, which I wish I would have.
What did you say?
I wish I would have never did that, man. I don't think it's sealing right. It's all good though, ain't it, Taj? That's just what it do when you work on cars, man. Sometimes you have victories, sometimes you have fails.
That's right.
Yep, that's right.
The worst thing about fails is that something happens.
Yeah, hey, that boy, he giving y'all some knowledge now. Y'all better be
stupid.
Be listening now. But I can't even talk, so I need just turn the. Hey, little bitty glove. That how you do LMC?
You killing me, man!
2 hours later.
Now your boy said that this pan was different, the bolt pattern. And I was struggling to find a pan that would line up with the bolts that I had. This just makes no sense. Look at this. It lines up perfect. Every bolt hole. So what the was I doing last time? So I drilled that hole and put this old dirty pan back on there for nothing. I had this brand new pan trying to install it and it just wouldn't line up. The holes wouldn't line up. I don't get this, man. You smart. What the heck was I doing? Lord have mercy. I guess that's a good thing why it was leaking, so I could go ahead and put this new one on here. I'm glad I recorded this so y'all can see all my downfalls to it. Cause this is crazy. All right, let's get to work, y'all.
Silky beat.
All right, guys, there go the finished product. I can't believe I had that pan for so long. I got that pan when I first got the truck, man. And I'm just not putting it on 2 years later.
Oh, come on now, dog.
Because I thought it wouldn't fit. And look at it. Perfect. Just beautiful. Just beautiful.
Get some help.
Now, I just hope it don't leak. Knocked another one off the board. If you couldn't read that, that was fix the transmission pan leak. Man, I'm so glad to get that fixed because I always was worried about that every time I would go somewhere that I would run out of transmission fluid and I wouldn't be able to shift. But I thank God that I was able to get that done, man. Woo. And I can't believe that pan I had for 2 years, it fit. Finally fit. I just didn't know what I was doing, man. I don't know what's going on. That's just something, that's a rookie mistake. Even though we all make those mistakes. If you work on cars, man, you know, it's always something that you mess up on that you have to go back on and you be like, man, why did I do that? Yeah, if that make any sense. But hey, anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully you guys like.
Perfect.
All right, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. It help your boy out, help the channel out, help me and Taj be able to get our content out there. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out, man. That's get funny, man. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Yes. And yeah, I know y'all asking where Taj at. He in there playing Roblox. He said, Peace, y'all, because, hey, he in there, he want to get to the top of the top with Roblox. I don't know what that is, but, hey, he be in that grind. But, hey, like I said before, appreciate you guys watching the video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
Right, until you hear the big fart.